death moments. This is also called Vadakapatupatthana. As we have known that, every river, especially waterfall, for example, right? The water will run very fast. Similarly, we are running to the death moment very quickly, very rapidly, every single second. This also can be considered Vadakapatupatthana. Okay, the main thing is, actually, here I didn't write down in Pali, but we also have some Pali, some way of recollection in Pali. For example, Maranamepachupatthidam. That means the death moment appears in me, like that. So we can also recall it like that. For the first one, number one, Vadakapatupatthana door. Then two, Sampati door as the ring of success. So here I have already listed out how to recall it. Sabbam, Arogyam, Vyadi Priyosanam, all health, ends, and sickness. So it's very clear, we don't need to explain. B, Sabbam, Yopanam, Jara Priyosanam, all youth, ends, and aging. C, Sabbam Jividam, Marana Priyosanam, all life, ends, and death. Actually, here we can also say like a longevity, right? All the longevity can be ends and death also possible. But here, Jividam mostly life. That's why we translate as life. D, Sabbha Sampati Vipatti Priyosanam, all achievements, ends, and failure. These are the way we can recall it according to number two, Sampati Vipatti Do. So when we can review or when we can see our death moment, we can do like this. We can recall all these things. Then, okay, we have to continue the next one. Upa Samhara Do. Right? Upa Samharana Do. By comparison.